Virchex is much more than just a payment platform. It's a business in a box. And welcome back. This is Virchex series number 5 and training, and we're going to talk about the gateway, the phone services, and the communication and business services. Let's start with your gateway. That's where we are here. And essentially, this is where your account number is your 800 number that can actually let you accept phone calls in, and you can direct them to your cell phone, to your business phone, or to other phones, wherever you want to go. It's very intuitive. It's very deep, and it is a business tool that a lot of people pay a lot of money for, but it's all included in the package. Here you'll see a caller ID feature, so you can see everybody who's called you or your number, and it's date stamped and time stamped. You have a follow me feature, which allows you to enter in numbers, phone numbers that you want to have called. Uh, when if nobody answers the main line, it'll go to 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can determine how many rings you want for that. You can have a voice Vox SMS, which is where you would receive voice messages that are left on your in the form of answering machine. From those messages will be sent to your own account, to your own cell phone number. Let's go to call me. What this does is this is a feature where you can place outbound calls through the system, and this is a matter of privacy, so that nobody would necessarily have to see where your originating call was coming from. It is your Genie number, and it's not your personal information. This is all powered, by the way, by a company called Allcoms and Allcoms Genie Gateway. Let's go to the opt-in Genie Mail. The mail service is a new email service for you. I mean, basically, you've got your account number at geniemail.com. And this is just like any other web-based email, except that when you send it to somebody, they're going to see this number and not necessarily anything else. You can send private emails between yourself and other members, or yourself and your family, however you want to do that. Let's go to send fax. Now, this is kind of an old-time function where people pay, $15, $20 a month to get an e-fax program or a virtual fax program. You can actually upload a file, type in the fax number that you want to send it to with a subject and a message, and it will reach that fax machine, print it out. It's a very, very neat little nifty tool that, while fax machines are going away, it seems, it's still every now and again that's how you got to send it, and this allows you to do it, and it's all included in the package. You can send a text directly from the cash box. You can type in your message, level of urgency, and you can send the message. Either you can select somebody in your phone book, or you can send to everybody in your phone book, or you can select one, and you can add people to your phone book. We'll talk about that in a minute. In this case, sending WAV files, you're sending an audio file, and it's the same thing. You're sending it through the email system to whoever you want to receive it. And this again is a standalone product, is something that people have to pay money for, and this is all included. Send PDF. This will convert any file, most file formats, into a PDF, and will send to any receiver. Send a file. This is outside of the normal file range. It will convert it to an executable file that somebody can receive and open in a standard format. Here is your phone book, and this is where you can add people on your own. It's got your entire list. You see, you've got all your customers, which I have few of, and their numbers. This is something that you can maintain on your own, or the system will maintain as you bring on new people. A lot of neat features here with the gateway and the system. Let's just check with your greeting. Okay, what this allows you to do is this allows you to play a greeting, record a greeting, and approve a greeting. Basically, this number will call you ask the system to call you to make the change. You can play the greeting, you can accept it, or you can decline it. However you want to do it, you can change it. Um, Genie settings are the Genie settings allows you to send notifications when you receive a voice message to your. This will notify you by what time you want, where the method you want it. See, it's pretty deep. And let's go back to here. You can change here. You can change your password for your account and change your voice pen. And this is auto charge of calling time. This is if you're using the calling time system that's built in here. It's 2 cents per minute, I believe. And this is kind of your phone on the go, because this will find you no matter what country or no matter where you are. When somebody calls this number, it will go to you. It'll port to whatever phone you want it to go to anywhere in the world. So that's the end of this section. I hope that you look at the tools and you try them out and see if they might even be able to replace some tools that you're probably paying some money for that you don't need anymore, because it's all part of the business in a box. Thanks very much for coming on this, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.